Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the call fail issue on your iPhone. So let's get started. Check your signal, make sure you have a signal. If you see SOS or no words, there's no signal. Look for words to confirm a good connection. Turn on airplane mode for few seconds like 10 to 15 and turn it off. This refreshes your network. Then ensure make ensure the focus mode is turned off like do not disturb and other things. Then check the block context of your settings. From there, go to the phone option from the settings, then scroll down and find the block contents. From there, if your contacts are in block context, unblock these numbers. Then for refreshes the network, go to the settings app of your phone, then tap the general option. From there, scroll down and find the transfer or reset iPhone option and tap it. Then tap the reset option, then you can see the reset network settings. From there and tap it. This won't erase your data, just resets network. Then if you recently set up a VPN, try turning it off. A VPN can sometimes cause connection issues. Then if it doesn't work, quickly press the volume down button and power button and press it until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Once the logo appears, slide down to power off your phone. Okay, then check if there's a carrier update or outage. Look online or visit websites like Down Detector. If there is an outage, wait for it to be fixed. If these steps help, please like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.